Okay. As you can see, we've got a lot of American citizens around, all right? I mean, they come from different parts of the country, all different walks of life. However, there is one thing there is one thing that Americans have in common. No matter what their social strata is, no matter what part of the country they're from, no matter what their ethnic status is, they all have one thing in common: greed. And not only that, territorialism. Get the hell off my turf. Let's do that again. Okay, you ready? Oh, they're not cooperating with me today. That typical American move right there. Another typical American. This guy says, my name is Newt, and I'm running for president. Get the hell off my turf. This is America. If you guys don't understand America, well, just read about the Republicans, and they'll tell you all about it. We don't believe in giving handouts, but we'll take them. Oh, America, America. Yeah, get the hell off my turf. Oh, this is such a picture of America, isn't it? Nobody. Do you see one seagull saying, "Oh, pardon me, you look a little skinny today. Go right ahead, be my guest." Do you see that happening? No. No, not in America. Not in America. Nearly a seagull says, "Oh, my poor dear, we see that you're a little skinny. Jump right up and go ahead. You can have this Cheerio, okay?" Do you see one seagull doing that? Let's try the experiment again. No. It's the survival of the fittest, you know? No. Get the hell off my turf. This is my turf. Now don't fight, boys. Don't fight over me, boys. Wasn't that May? Oh God, I can't think of her name. Mae West. She says, "Now don't fight over me, boys." Now, no fighting over me, boys. So they can catch them in midair too. See, watch this. Woo! We still got some fighting going on here. Some territorial fighting between Republicans and Democrats and the rich and the poor. But actually, seagulls can hover in the air. Watch this. Whoa! We still got some fighting going on. Oh my goodness! This is terrible. Oh, the humanity of it all. I can't stand to watch it. This one's thinking, well, he just pooped. But he's thinking as he pooped, I'm going to make a nuclear weapon. And I'm going to dominate the world. Okay? Let's see if we can get one of these guys to hover. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Almost. No, they're not good at it today. They gotta be flying. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Yeah, no more fighting now. This is America. You know, give me your poor. Don't do that. This is America. Give me your poor. Give me your downtrodden. Give me your sick. Give me your hungry. But once you get over here, you're on your own, Buster. And stay the hell off my turf. Don't you just love America? Isn't this the greatest country in the world? I mean, you just can't help but love America. The seagulls love America, don't you? See, he just said yes. Didn't you see him? He said yes. Do you love America? Yes, he says. Let's zero in on him. Do you love America? See, he said yes. Yes, yes. He's nodding yes. I love America. One of them's going to start singing, "My country 'tis of thee." My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I fight. Land where our fathers died, grabbing their guns so tight. You can only pry it from their cold dead hands. Of thee we sing. I think that's enough, don't you think, folks? This is getting a little corny, don't you think? You know, and the seagulls, they're pissed. They're saying, this guy, and see, they're taking off. They're saying, I'm going to go to better places. You know, the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. And I'm getting the hell out of here. I'm moving from New York to Arizona. And if I can't find what I'm looking out there, I'll go to Oregon. But wherever I go, look out. Because I'm going to do everything I can to take over your turf. Run down your train. You bet. This is America. We can't quit yet, folks. Okay? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God. These people speak of me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me. Indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Oh, really? I didn't know that. See ya.